This video is sponsored by AppMaker. Hey everyone, welcome back to Educate WordPress, where we talk everything about WordPress. And today, we're going to add a survey in form of a pop-up in WordPress website. Let's get started. Now first, we will use two plugins, namely Quiz and Survey Master and Hustle. Now to download these plugins, click on download on the website and it will install a zip file. And to install a plugin using this zip file, head over to Dashboard, click on Plugins, Add New, click on Upload Plugin, choose the file downloaded and click on Open. Click on Install Now. Now as you can see, and in the similar way, go to Quiz Master and install the plugin. Now as you can see, both of our plugins have been activated. Now let's head over to QSM section, which is Quiz and Survey Master, and create a survey. Click on Quizzes/Surveys and click on Create a New Quiz. Choose the default theme, or if you want to buy a new theme, you can do that. We'll go ahead with default theme. Click on Default Theme and click on Next. Name your quiz. I'll name it Take a Survey and choose the form type as survey. If you want the user to log in first to give the survey, check mark this radio button and click on Next. Click on Create Quiz and type a question. We'll go with how's our services, and the question type will be short answer. Click on Save Question and we're going to add the new question. Click on Create New Question and this question is going to be how's our delivery system. In the same way, this will be a short answer and click on Save Question. And we'll add another question, which will be rating, and this will be of the type number. Click on Save Question. Now after you have added all the questions, head above and click on Publish Quiz. Now let's head over to Quizzes and Surveys and we'll copy this shortcode. Let's copy this. Now close this. This video is sponsored by AppMaker. AppMaker is a WordPress plugin that converts WooCommerce websites to mobile apps. The mobile app builder helps you create native Android and iOS applications. Get 30% off by being first 200 sign up. Get the link in the description. And head over to Hustle and click on Pop-ups. Click on Create New Pop-up. I will name our pop-up as Survey. It will be of the type informational. Click on Choose Template. Now we'll go with this one. Now we'll edit the title and name it Take Our Survey. Delete this, and in the main content area, click the shortcut link that we copied. We don't need a call to action button, and click on Appearances. I've already created a tutorial on how to add pop-ups to WordPress website, which will be linked in the description. Make sure to check it out. I'll keep this as it is, and we'll click on Add Condition. For now, I'll add it to all pages since I'm testing this. But if you're on a live website, make sure to add it on the cart page. Click on Add Condition. Go to Behavior, and we'll start this immediately. We'll click on Animation and add a good animation. Let's see the preview. Now this is our pop-up. Let's head back and click on Publish this pop-up. Now let's head over to our website. And as you can see, a pop-up has appeared. Now let's try adding some information. And as you can see, a survey has been taken, and you can even see the results of your survey. Now let's head back and go to QSM and click on Results. Click on View, and as you can see, the response that we gave has been recorded. Now that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Like if you find this video useful, and subscribe. Thank you.